This is what it look like. A hot mess. Okay guys, we're gonna start out this install by cutting off the excess cap, and my cap is a little bit ghetto in this video, but we're just gonna ignore that. But y'all, I'm gonna cut off my sideburns in this video just because I don't want those hairs to peek through on the sides of my lace. It just looks a little ghetto to me. I always tie my cap in the back just for extra security. You can also sew it down in the back. Yeah. Oh y'all, I just love curly hair. Like, curly hair is always tea. Like, girl, are you Dominican? Like, who is you? Like, y'all, so anyways, let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my ear tabs. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take about that much off. Nothing major, because I really like my sideburns to be low. So this is what she's looking like on this side. You should be able to see your ear. Nothing should be over your ear. Okay y'all, so I'm gonna do one side at a time. I'm gonna start on this side. If you see my previous videos, you usually see me cut my lace into 3 sections, but lately I've been working from one side to the other, so I'm gonna start on this side first. Guys, a little disclaimer, I left my glue out. That's why it's looking like this, but I just really wanted to show you guys the whole process. So I'm honestly probably gonna have to go glueless because I let my glue sit out, so it's drying up. Like, it's not doing what it's supposed to do at all. I'm making USDs overseas and US dollars that you pay the cheese. But my white girl can say nigga please. But that white girl can say nigga please. Playing poker now with. Guys, I went ahead and did the other side off camera, but I applied the glue the exact same way. I had to do it in such a rush. But as you guys can see, the wig is down, like it's stuck. But I'm just gonna add some spritz for an extra melt, and I'm gonna sit up on the dryer for about 20 minutes. Okay guys, so this is what the lace was looking like after 15 minutes. Now I'm just gonna go into cutting the lace, and as you guys can see, I am using the tip of my eyebrow razor, and it's not completely slanted, but it's not completely straight either, if you see what I'm saying. Like, I'm using the tip and I'm just like poking at it, not really, like, you get what I'm saying? Hopefully you guys get what I'm saying, but I'm kind of just stabbing at it to get it out for a very clean cut. As you guys can see, I have a white cast on my lace, and that's just because I don't apply makeup until afterwards, like you guys see. But I'm using a very, 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 very generous amount of my makeup in the shade Coconut. Okay guys, so the lace has been cut. It still needs to melt again, and I'm really probably gonna go back under the dryer again this second melt. But this is what she's looking like. Okay guys, so this is after being up on the dryer. It is completely melted, so it's time to get into doing the baby hairs.
in my coat, got a girl doing coke. We drink up and we smoke, but she always do the most. It kinda turns me on the way she think mama, she was already hooked. If you always there for me, that's a really good look. I'm changing up your salary, cause I'm getting to know you. Tell me your availability, I want all of you. If it's like that, then it's like that. If you lighten up like lightning, I smack it up, get feisty. Can't sabotage me, I said you gon' tell the world it's fun. Thankful for when you're nauseous. You're a good girl, but you know it. I'm never miss out on Pilates. I let the sun shake the Bugatti. Damn God, this with a body. Me and cheap girls, they cheap beats. Numbers, they fly. It's getting to
This is the process of my baby hairs. It's so hard for me to record like the process of my baby hairs. I probably should have did like a time lapse or something, but it just be taking me forever to do them. So that's why I didn't record them.
It kinda turned me on the way she licking on my stones. My chains on antifreeze, it look like I made a clone. Wanna see you get more sassy, to bring out better emotions. She caught me a god the way I floated in her ocean. She caught me Messiah the way I floated in her ocean. Yeah, Jesus Christ, but I wasn't causing commotion. It is so right, kinda soaker in the ocean. Hit it all night, we was drinking and smoking. Drinking and smoking. I done went from GG to VB to LB. I done fuck with GG and Lily and Mimi.
Okay guys, so this style is super duper easy. A third grader can do it. All you're gonna want to do is part out 2 sections.
I like the my G, plus I know you had somebody else right here.
Guys, make sure your sections are parted equally because one of my sections was bigger than the other one. It's not noticeable because of the curly hair, but make sure yours is equally, the same. And put your hair in a ponytail in the back. This is what my little bun looked like in the back. Put it in a bun real quick to get it out your way. And then you're gonna hot comb this to the gods. You're gonna wanna make sure these sections are extremely flat. And because this hair is curly, you're gonna wanna put a little extra heat on it to make it straight. And I said in my previous video, don't drag your hair down. Your hot comb down. In this case, you're gonna wanna drag that hot comb as far as you can, just so that the hair can be straight, sleek, and flat. And that is my motto. You guys can skip this step. I just wanted an extra little pizzazz to my style. So I'm going to have 2 little pieces out in the front, 2 little curly pieces. But you guys can skip this step. You don't have to do it. Okay guys, so now you're going to want to put your 2 pieces in a ponytail just so that those pieces don't move throughout the day. And you guys can see my cap and everything right now because I just lifted my wig up, and I'm going to use my combs in the inside of this wig to put my wig back down, as you guys can see. And make sure you cut off that excess lace in the back because I forgot. I'm not done yet. My mom done came and interrupted my video. She just pulled up on me. I haven't seen her. You want to get in the camera?
No, ma'am.
She don't want to get in the camera.
I don't know right now.
How long was the drive?
Too long.
How long was it?
It was an hour and 6 minutes.
An hour and 6 minutes.
Look at this.
What? What? Look at what?
The bill.
Yeah, getting a little thick. To achieve my messy bun at the top, all I did was put the hair in a ponytail first and then stop the ponytail midway, like creating a bun, and then twisting it to the front, as you guys can see. Hopefully that makes sense. And I'm just gonna flip the hair back, and that's it, girl. It's messy, and it's not supposed to be super neat. This is curly hair, like, Yeah, and this is the style, girl. This is how it came out. Let me know how you guys feel about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share this video, and follow me on Instagram at everything yummy, period.
Walking from here to my bedroom and feel like it's home from work. And I'm still body, I don't feel nobody. Got no wheels, I'm riding on my friendship solid. I get big deposits on my wheels excited. Trunk on the engine, I'm on a mission. The buck up to 50, I'm out your division. I got up excited. Know it's been a little minute, I left her delighted. Made her love off a chrome, these sucker despite it. The touch is the Midas. She say fuck me and come, I just do it like love her, but Nike. Ordered a ginger for you and your friends. Trophy, you running that big body Benz. Got a little bit that came up from nothing. We shopping in London, they doing it big. Landed private, but we out in public. I know we the topic for you and your kids. Life Monopoly gon' roll not an option. If they could've stopped it, they would've been dead. They would've been dead. She could be the wig. Don't play with my head, you test my emotions. Don't be testing my phone every day, I'ma leave it on red. I'm digging and stroking. My new bitch pussy wet like an ocean, I need a new spread. A solid one chosen. I'm gon' wanna stay focused, I can't let them put me on edge.
Put me on edge. I just bust on my wrist and this rose gold and it's a I just counted to me and all cash and got hit from the feds. Yeah, I just told them if we play, then we stop in the grove for they dreads. So I just had to put the pyramid, push that I'm never gonna drop on the shit. Bill a panoramic goals, we got foes and dust toast. On the big dog on my coast, micro minutes from the scopes. I ain't telling this bitch my goals. Had a living at the Montrose. I'm a piece for the player, not pole. Yeah, I've been thinking about selling my soul. Take me out the country and drop me in an apartment, she won't see me cry. I just put macaroni cheese in my pocket and it came with the size. I just put 20 mil inside an extra, I don't give a fuck about your life. You had a buzz, but that shit was too little, I promise you never was high.